In this tutorial, we will explain how the dispatcher application works. The dispatcher account is a versatile tool that can be set up for various partners such as Huddle and restaurant partners. It can also be established at airports or railway stations. A designated individual will operate the dispatcher in tablet mode, enabling them to make bookings on behalf of customers. They can select locations from the Saved Locations area where favorite locations are listed on the Pickup and Drop-Off location screen. If dispatchers wish to select a pickup location by dragging the pin on the map, they have the capability to do so. They can then select the drop-off locations. They also have the option to search for the location, drag the locations, or select the locations from the same location area. Based on the selected pickup and drop-off locations, a list of vehicle types will appear along with the pricing assigned to the particular hotel partners linked to the dispatcher account. They can then select the vehicle type from the listing. On the final confirmation screen, the dispatcher will be able to see all the details entered while making a booking. They will also be able to see the fare breakdown, calculated based on the selected information. They can then choose the payment mode. Dispatchers have the capability to select a payment mode, either cash or paid. If cash is selected, customers will need to pay the drivers upon completion of their trip. If paid is selected, customers won't have to pay any charges to the driver. Instead, the hotel partners will handle the settlements when customers check out from their hotels or restaurants. Finally, dispatchers have the capability to make on-demand trips or schedule trips in advance. They also have the capability to assign a trip to drivers directly by selecting the manual dispatch option. This generates a list of drivers according to the specified locations. After that, dispatcher can book an on-demand trip by clicking on the Create Booking option. This generates a booking, and the system begins to locate drivers based on the pickup and drop-off locations. Once a driver accepts the trip request, their information, including their name and vehicle details, are presented on the screen. At the bottom of the screen, there is an option to print out the details from the dispatcher's application. This can be done using a printer connected to the system. Additionally, the dispatcher can return to the home screen to make more bookings. Dispatchers also have the option to view all bookings generated under their account. Here, they can see ongoing trips, upcoming trips, completed trips, canceled trips, and trips with no assigned driver. All trips are displayed according to their status. Lastly, when drivers are in the queue, they can view the list of queues under the queue section. This is how the dispatcher's application works, enabling dispatchers to make bookings on behalf of customers, with the system locating drivers to complete the ride. This concludes our overview of the dispatcher application.